How to use your phone to monitor your fitness progress. You can use MyFitnessPal. It is a popular app that helps you track your calorie intake, macronutrients, and exercise. You can download this on both Android and iOS devices. You could create an account, connect with other apps, and of course, track your food intake. Log your meals, set calorie goals, track macronutrients. You could also track your exercises, log your workouts, track calories burned, use the exercises feature. To monitor your progress, view your daily and weekly calorie intake and expenditure, track your weight loss or gain, analyze your macronutrient intake. Tips to use this effectively: be consistent, be honest, set realistic goals, and don't be afraid to adjust.